How to get referrals from medical doctors. My name is Dr. Jeff Langmaid with the Evidence Based Chiropractor. I want to talk about the 3 pillars to building referral relationships with medical doctors. Now, whether you are a chiropractor or you are another paraprofessional within the healthcare space or a clinician, getting referrals from other healthcare providers is a great way to build and grow a practice. And we've identified 3 pillars when you are reaching out that you can bridge that gap, build referral relationships with medical doctors in your community. Pillar number 1 is sending case notes. Nearly any primary care provider is going to want to know what's going on with their patient. So getting case notes sent out your front door to update those providers on what's going on with their patient, the co-management that you're doing, the relief that the patient's getting, and just to showcase in many cases that you exist is critically important. Case notes, number 1 pillar. Number 2 are sending research updates. You do not want to go more than 30 days without a medical provider that you're hoping to build a relationship with seeing your name. That time between seeing your name is an absolute relationship killer. People are super busy, messages are coming in super fast. And sending case notes, you could go months without co-managing with somebody in your community. So how do you fill in that gap of time? Research is a great way to do it. Monthly research updates are a fantastic way to showcase who you are, what you do, and to stay top of mind with those other healthcare professionals in your community. So we have case notes and research. Number 3 are meetings. Anytime you have the opportunity to sit down, break bread, have conversations with other professionals, it's a great way to accelerate the process of building trust and rapport. So meeting with other providers and, most importantly, not selling yourself, but better understanding who they are and what they do so you can better position yourself is a great way to accelerate the process of relationship building. So 3 things you want to keep in mind if you are looking to build, grow referrals with medical providers in your community. 1, get those case notes out the door so that you showcase co-management and the great results that you get. Number 2, utilize research briefs each and every month to stay top of mind. And number 3, utilize meetings where you can learn more about their practice to better position yours. If you want to go deep into this topic, please visit theevidencebasedchiropractor.com, where we do this each and every day for hundreds, if not thousands of chiropractors throughout time now, that has generated tens of thousands of referrals into chiropractic practices utilizing a proven system. So get out there, build those relationships, and have some fun in the process. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Evidence Based Chiropractor channel. If you don't want to miss a single thing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notifications of every video we put out, and we put out new content each and every week. So be sure to subscribe today.